By 2026, millions of people could lose their jobs. Not because they're lazy, not because they failed, but because something smarter, faster, and cheaper has taken their place. And here's the scary part. AI is not the biggest threat. The real danger is something most people never think about. Artificial intelligence is growing faster than anything in human history. From writing content, to driving cars, to making decisions, AI is already changing how the world works. But the question is not if AI will replace humans. The real question is, by the end of this video, you'll understand what's really coming and why 2026 could be a turning point for humanity. Right now, AI is not a future concept. It's already here. Companies are using AI to write emails, answer customer support, analyze data, create videos, even generate code. Tasks that once took hours are now done in seconds. And businesses love it. But because AI doesn't get tired, IT doesn't ask for salary, IT doesn't take breaks. And most importantly, it's getting better every single day. Let's be honest, jobs are already being replaced. Content writers, graphic designers, customer service agents, even programmers are starting to feel the pressure. Companies are quietly reducing human roles and replacing them with automated systems. But here's the thing most people don't realize. This is just the beginning. Technology usually takes years to evolve. But AI? It's evolving in months. What AI couldn't do last year, it can do today. And what it can't do today, it will learn tomorrow. This speed is what makes it dangerous. Because humans can't adapt that fast. Education systems are slow. Skills take time to learn. But AI doesn't wait. But even after all of this, AI is still not the biggest problem. Something much bigger is happening behind the scenes. AI does not control itself. It is controlled by companies, by organizations, by powerful individuals. Think about it. Who owns the most advanced AI systems? Big tech companies. And who controls those companies? A very small number of people. This means the future of billions of humans could be influenced by decisions made by a few. And that changes everything. For decades, governments controlled power. But now, power is shifting. From countries to corporations. From public systems to private technology. AI is not just a tool. It is becoming a system of influence. It decides what you see online, what jobs are available, what information is prioritized. And slowly, it may start shaping how society functions. Let's ask a simple question. What happens when machines become better than humans at most tasks? It's not science fiction anymore. It's a real possibility. AI can work faster, make fewer mistakes, process massive data instantly. So where does that leave humans? This is where fear begins. Because if machines can do everything better, what is the role of humans? Here's the truth most people ignore. AI is not replacing humans. Systems are replacing humans. AI is just a part of that system. The real shift is efficiency over people, speed over emotion, automation over human effort. And once this system becomes dominant, there is no going back. Experts believe that by 2026, AI will be deeply integrated into industries. Millions of jobs will be redefined. Automation will accelerate rapidly. This doesn't mean everyone loses jobs, but it does mean the world will not look the same. Opportunities will change, skills will change, power will shift. And those who are not prepared will struggle. So what can people do? The answer is simple. Learn skills that AI cannot easily replace. Creativity, strategy, human connection, critical thinking. Because while AI is powerful, it still lacks something important: human understanding. But even this might not last forever, because AI is learning faster than expected. And the line between human intelligence and artificial intelligence is becoming thinner every day. So now the question is, Will AI replace humans, or will humans evolve with AI? And more importantly, who will control the future? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you want to understand the future before it happens, subscribe to Scaleverse, because the future is not coming, it's already here.